Hey YouTube, Maker's Journey here. Just want to let you guys know what's happening. We are currently living in this here camper that we've had for a while because we are having a house built, which is right here. This is it. Let's see if I can walk out a little bit so you can see it. And I'm thinking of getting rid of my shop in Richmond and kind of holding on to this. We're about 30 miles. Actually, we're not 30. I think we're 21 miles from Richmond, which is about a 30-minute drive or something like that. So, but we're moving out here to New Kent area, and so I'm thinking about doing a shop change also. I like my shop in Richmond. It comes in really handy. I do a lot of classes out of it. It's convenient for people to come to the classes. But I just know that it costs me rent and things like that, and my overhead and stuff. So, but my current shop will be out here. Here's the house. The shop is not built yet, but if you can see those flags, I got a flag over here, and then there's one down here somewhere over there. Oh, there it is right there. And it's going to be a 30 by 30, which is about 900 square feet. And it's going to be a blast. I can't wait. I'll be able to walk outside of my house and jump right into my shop and things. So I'm currently standing in my shop. I'm pumped. So, but that's kind of what's going on. So I may be getting rid of the shop in Richmond, and I might be going ahead and moving everything out here. Or I may maybe subdivide my shop in half and do only welding classes in Richmond and go ahead and do my YouTube videos and also custom work at my house. So I just think it'd be really nice to do that. And we're on 2.5 acres of land right now. It's just kind of walking around it now. And but looking forward to it and can't wait. So if you want to follow it, I'm sure I'm going to be doing a lot of projects around the house, just kind of making it ours and stuff like that. But it is one of the things we are extremely excited over. The house is almost finished. I'll do an inside update when they finish it up. But, you know, I guess you could say I'm city folk. And this is I think it's 21 miles from Richmond. So this is a lifestyle change for us. And we're looking forward to it. So I'm just hoping that I can keep the videos going with no problem and go from there. And also, I just got done checking out the new Avengers movie, Endgame. So I think I'm going to be making a Thor hammer. So that'll be probably the second project I post. So anyway, I appreciate you guys following me and on my journey here. So Maker's Journey signing off, and later.